morning!
What's up?
We are chipping away at more backyard projects today. So this has been the year of the backyard for us. We have built a pool cabana, pergola. We've done a DIY bocce ball court. We have
that was really fun.
That was really fun.
Yeah, I like that.
We're going to have a new fence being put in later this summer.
Super stoked, 'cause then we get a doggy.
Yeah, that's what you think. But today we're putting together an outdoor kitchen. We have zero experience building outdoor kitchens. I've never done one before. Never even built an indoor kitchen from scratch before. But
we did put in a sink one time.
We did. We almost killed each other.
No, that was me and Dad to help.
That's right. Anyway, we would have almost killed each other.
Yeah.
But we designed this kitchen through RTA Outdoor, and Coyote are the appliances we're going to be using out here. So we designed it all online on their system, and everything was delivered on flat pallets. It's supposed to be very DIY friendly. We are not contractors, we are not masons, and it's supposed to be much faster than the traditional outdoor kitchen. So we have my dad and a friend coming to help us today, and hopefully by the end of the day we're gonna be grilling out.
I think we will be.
We have faith in it. Say hello to our messy garage. This is how everything was delivered on pallets, all wrapped up, and we'll just take it piece by piece and assemble it in the backyard. So we have an older model, and we talked to RTA, and they said they've addressed this issue since we got ours. But we would have to drill a hole here, have an electrician drill an access port here in order to run a cord for their fridge. Apparently they fixed that, but that's something we're gonna have to do. Okay, so while I am holding this in place, Robert is screwing the braces in to keep it, in place. We just did the same thing with the trash can, and then we'll do the refrigerator side next. Okay, got the trash in and the access doors for the grill in. We're going to slide this fridge in next, which is why we don't put the side panel in, so that we can push that in place. And then we can secure it. We'll put in the countertop. There are these little notches so that you don't have to use any sort of hardware. The countertop just slides right in using those notches. The only hardware we really need, the screws, were for securing these in place with those braces. And then we can put the grill in and grill out after we do the bar. All right, Robert just put together the grill jacket. It's just 4 pieces, and we're gonna go fit it inside the countertop. Okay, we made it, yay! We honestly ran into more hiccups than I thought we would, and it could have been user error on our part, but it was still much faster than having a carpenter come out and frame it, and a mason come out, and contractors. I mean, it was done in a day. So we're gonna give it a test drive. It's gonna be so awesome. This is the mock system through RTA and Coyote, so we're going to give it a test drive and have a cookout.